Hi guys, it's me, your math teacher Jel. For today's video, let's continue our discussion on how to find the domain and range of the given functions. And of course, another goal is to graph or sketch the graph of the given functions. Okay, so this is actually part 2 of our previous video. Okay, so we have here two examples. So for letter A, we have y is equal to x squared. Actually guys, y is equal to x squared is the same as f of x is equal to x squared. So otherwise, y is equal to 1 over x, same as f of x is equal to 1 over x. Gets? Okay, so let's find the domain of this given function sa letter A, y is equal to x squared. So we'll know that if the exponent is 2, the degree of exponent is 2, so therefore this function falls under very good quadratic equation or function. Okay, so since wala naman restrictions for the domain, so we therefore conclude that the domain will be, okay, so domain I x such that x is an element of all real numbers. So any value of x, it could be positive or negative, whole number or fraction. So walang restrictions. Okay, to find the range, dito naman, solve natin yung equation. Okay, solve for x in terms of y. Ang goal natin dito guys ay dapat mapunta si variable x dito sa kabila. Okay, so we have negative x squared, and si positive y, it will become negative y. And para mawala yung negative sign, pwede natin i-multiply by negative 1 or divide by negative 1. Walang problema dun guys. So in this case, I will divide it by negative 1. And then, so it will become positive x squared is equal to positive y. Okay, it's not yet done. Although na nasa kabila na yung variable x natin, kasi solve for x in terms of y. So the next thing to do ay, very good, by extracting the square root of both sides. Ayan. So whatever na in-apply natin sa kabila, ganoon din dito sa right side. Okay, so we can easily cancel out. So we left by the variable x. So our resulting equation now is x is equal to square root of y. Okay, so guys, dito dito na tayo magbe-base ng range natin. Okay, so under the radical sign, so dapat guys, meron dito tayong restrictions. So ibig sabihin, bawal ang mga negative numbers, or else magiging imaginary to. Okay, so dito pwede naman mag-0 ang sagot. So therefore the range will be, okay, so y such that y is greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0. So dapat mas malaki kaysa kay 0, or pwede rin 0 pataas, kaya greater than or equal to 0. So in this case, one of the solution sets ay yung 0 dito, kasi pwede naman mag 0, wag lang negative number. Gets? Okay, so any numbers na pwede natin i-substitute dito ay merong magiging sagot. And then afterwards, we need to use the table of values, or gagamit tayo ng table of values dito guys, para mag-graph natin yung equation na to, or yung given function. Using table of values, we will assign numbers. Okay, so this time I will be using negative 2 up to positive 2. So negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Actually guys, pwede nyo gamitin from negative 3 up to positive 3. Or if you want, negative 5 up to positive 5. It's up to us. Okay. So when x is equal to negative 2, so dito guys, isa-substitute natin sa original equation natin. So when x is equal to negative 2, it will become positive 4. Okay. Kasi, negative 2 times negative 2, the answer is positive 4. When x is equal to negative 1, of course, 1. Gets? Did you follow? And then when x is equal to 0, the answer is 0. So when x is equal to 1, so 1 squared, that is equal to 1 also. And then 2 squared, this is equal to 4. Okay, so nakumpleto natin yung table of values. The next thing to do ay, okay, ipa-plot natin sa Cartesian coordinate plane natin. So we have negative 2 and positive 4. Our x value is negative 2. And then yung y value ay 4. So guys, nandito siya. Nasundan ba? Okay. Then, we have negative 1, positive 1. So ito yun guys. Your x is negative 1. Your y is positive 1. So 0, 0. Nasa origin to. And then 1, 1. So guys, ito yun. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Your x is equal to 2. Your y is equal to 4. Gets? And then, after plotting those points, the next thing to do ay i-connect natin yan to form a smooth curve. Okay. Gets? Okay, so guys, meron ba kayo napansin dito sa graph natin? Okay, very good. So, hindi tayo lumagpas dito sa baba. Kasi, sa range natin, yung restriction ay y such that y is greater than or equal to 0. So, meaning, hanggang dito lang. So, kumbaga, meron siyang barrier or limitation. So, hindi siya pwedeng lumagpas. So, this is actually the graph of the function f of x is equal to x squared or y is equal to x squared. Gets? Okay. So, kung walang tanong, let's proceed sa letter B example. So, ganun lang kadali yan, guys. Okay, so dito guys, kung mapapansin natin, sa letter B, ito ay rational function or rational equation, right? Okay, kasi we have fraction. We can actually write this as f of x is equal to 1 over x. So, dito guys, for the domain, we have restriction. Okay? So, bawal tayo magkaroon ng 0 sa denominator or else the whole function becomes undefined. So, therefore, ang restrictions natin dito ay x such that x is not equal to 0. Pwede maging negative or pwede maging positive yan. Basta, bawal lang ang 0. Kasi, magiging undefined yon. Okay. And then, for the range, solve natin sa range. Dito guys, sulat natin to. So, y is equal to 1 over x. Ang goal natin, si y mapunta rito, si x mapunta rito. So, dito guys, kapag ganito, using cross multiplication product. Okay. So, kapag ganito guys, over 1 yan, huwag yung marilito. So, y times x is equal to xy. And then, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So, dito guys, i-divide natin by very good y. And then, cancel out natin si y. So, we left by the variable x. So, x now is equal to 1 over y. Did you follow? Okay. So, tingnan tayo sa denominator natin. So, ang restrictions natin dito guys ay very good. Ganun din. Ang range natin ay y such that y is not equal to 0. Gets? So, kasi magiging undefined yon kapag inallow natin na yung y natin magiging 0. So, undefined yon. So, yun ang restrictions natin dito. So, any numbers will do except y is equal to 0. So, gets? And then, para mag-graph naman natin yan, again, using table of values. Okay? So, using table of values, mag-a-assign ulit tayo ng numbers. This time, I will be using -3 up to +3. Okay? So guys, madali lang to. Huwag kayong malilito. So, -3, -2, -1. Of course, we have 0. 0, 1. 2, 3. So now, let's evaluate. So, substitute natin to guys sa variable x natin. So, when x is equal to -3, so 1 over -3, okay, so that's the answer. So, 1 over, or -1 over 3 na yan. And if we're going to express -1/3 in decimal, it will become, very good, -0.33. So guys, dito, mag-a-assume tayo. Okay, so let's use the word approximation. So, pangit pala pag nag-a-assume tayo. Okay? So, that's the right term. Use the approximation. Okay, and then, if your x is -2, okay, so 1 over -2, that is -1/2. Or -0.5 in decimal. And then, when x is equal to -1, 1 over -1, so simplify, it will become -1, right? When x is equal to 0, of course, yan ay undefined, tama? So, hindi natin ina-allow na magiging undefined yan. So, therefore, ang sagot natin dito ay undefined. Okay. So, dito guys, mapuputol yung graph natin kasi meron tayong undefined. Gets? So, ganun kapag a rational function. And then, when x equal to 1, so 1 over 1, that is equal to 1, simplify natin. So, 1 over 2, that is 1/2, no? And then, 1 over 3, 0.33. Gets? Okay. So, guys, dito, divide natin. So, -1/3, that is -0.33, right? So, your y is -1/3. So, nasan yun? Dito sa gitna, -0.5 yan. Your x is -3, and then y is -0.33. So, medyo lumapit lang yon sa -1/2. Yan, approximately, nandito yung -3 and -1/3. Gets? And then, we have, your x is -2, your y is -1/2. So, nandito siya, guys. And then, we have -1, -1. And then, undefined. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, mapuputol yung graph natin. Kasi, meron tayo dito yung restriction. So, bawal niyang matouch yun or dito, madaanan ng graph. Okay, so we have 1, 1. Your x is 1, your y is 1. Your x is 2, your y is 1/2. So, nandito yung 1/2. And then, your x is 3, your y is 1/3. Para opposite lang nito yan, guys. It seems like reflection. Okay, or mirror. And then, afterwards, so, pwede na nating connect yung mga points natin. Okay, so the graph will look like this. So guys, dito, kapag in-extend natin to guys, yung mga numbers dyan, hindi pa rin yan pagtatagpuin. Okay? So, ito yan. Kasi nga, we have restrictions. So, ito yun, no? For the x value, hindi siya pwede maging 0. Also, y. Gets? So, this is the graph of y is equal to 1 over x. So, ganun lang kasimple. Nakuha? Okay, kung meron kayo natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.